a square is two triangles, so they learn that, then they say, why do I need to learn that? Yeah, basically, one of the problems when you teach secondary is they start questioning you back. See, because developmentally they are teenagers, yeah, they start questioning you back, so it's not a very good thing. They ask, why would you ever use angles, right? Yeah. Then my question straight away, how many of you want to be engineers? Yeah, you need to use that. Then even better I've done is GED. You want to actually pass school? Even better.